I just saw a video of a girl talking about how she plays this game every day, and the game is called Best Day Ever. The whole point of it is that every day she says it's going to be the best day ever, but she has no idea why. So throughout the day, every single day, she finds herself looking for things for why that day is going to be the best day ever. Because the whole point is you find what you seek. So, point being, if you wake up every day and say this is going to be the best day ever and spend your day looking for things on why it's going to be the best day ever, you're going to find a lot more beautiful things. You're going to find a lot more things throughout the day that make your day seem awesome. So try doing that. For the rest of the day today, tomorrow, whatever it is, try telling yourself it's going to be the best day ever. See how it goes.